Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss PYQs of ratio and proportion, and our theme is replacements in mixture. Let's solve some problem directly. So, in this question, there are two containers X and Y. So, let's say this is container X and there is container Y. X contains 100 ml of milk. So, in X, we are having 100 milliliter of milk, and Y contains 100 ml of water. This is milk here, and in the second we are having 20 ml of milk is transferred from X to Y. From X to Y, 20 ml milk is transferred. So after this process, let me write down the second step here. After this process, the quantity that must be left in the vessel X must be, or container X must be 100 minus 20, that is 80 milliliter milk. So in the vessel X, 80 milliliter milk should be left, and in the vessel B, 100 ml water is present. Now 20 ml milk is also present. So this becomes 120 milliliter of mixture. And in this 120, water is 100, milk is 20. So in this 120 ml, the ratio of milk and water, the ratio of water and milk should be 100:20, that is 5:1. This is our step number 2. You can say it 100 ml water, 20 ml milk. So total mixture is 120 ml. So ratio of milk to water 100:20, that is 5:1. Now 20 ml of mixture in Y is transferred back to X. So from Y to X, 20 ml mixture is transferred. Now this is very important step. It is not water only, it is not milk only, it is mixture that has been transferred to X. So in X, 80 ml milk is already present. 80 ml milk is already present. Now you are adding 20 ml mixture to it. So in this 20 ml, just try to pay attention. In this 20 ml, ratio of water and milk is 5:1. Okay. So when you are adding this 20 ml to X, in this 20 ml ratio, the fraction of milk will be 1/6. So in this, fraction of milk will be 1/6. In this 20 ml, fraction of milk will be 1/6. Why? Milk is 1, water is 5, total will be 1 plus 5, that is 6. So fraction of milk will be 1/6. So this will be milk, and if you talk about the remaining part, so 20 into 5/6, this remaining part will be water. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now when this 20 ml is subtracted, this 20 ml has been transferred. So over here in this Y container, only 100 ml water is, 100 ml mixture is left. 100 ml mixture is left. Now in this container Y, we haven't added, after the second step, this was the first, this was the second. After the second step, there was no water added, no milk added to container Y. So if we are extracting out of 120, if we are extracting 20 ml, so in the remaining 100 ml, ratio of water to milk should be same. So in this remaining 100 ml, if you want to talk about, in this remaining 100 ml, if you want to talk about water, so water will be 5:6. Water is 5, milk is 1, total 5 plus 1 is 6. And this should be water finally in container Y, and if you do 100 into 1/6, this will be milk finally in container Y. Okay, now if M denotes the proportion of milk in X, so I can see in X proportion of milk, in X proportion of milk is 80 plus, what is 80 plus 20 into 1/6? If you solve this, it comes out to be equal to uh, this will be approximately 83. This will be approximately 83. Okay, 20/6 is what? If you solve this 20/6, right, it will be 1/6 is 16.66. 1/6 is 16.66, so it was 10/3, so 83.33 something it is, right? And this is what? This is M also, because M denotes the proportion of milk in X. Now N denotes the proportion of water in Y. In container Y, if you see carefully, in container Y, water is 100 into 5/6, and it comes out to be equal to what? 83.33. So quantity, value of M and value of N both are equal. Value of M and value of N both are equal. Hence, answer is option A. Kindly make a note of it. Kindly make a note of it. Now, next problem. See guys, a bottle contains 20 liter of liquid A. 4 liter of liquid A is taken out, and it's out of it, it should be out of it, and replaced by same quantity of liquid B. Again 4 liter of mixture is taken out and replaced by same quantity of liquid B. What is the ratio of quantity of liquid A to liquid B? Now guys, in this case, first of all, this is a very common problem, a very famous problem, and in this kind of replacement we have a shortcut directly. Okay, so let's try to understand that shortcut. In this case, a bottle contains 20 liter of liquid A, 4 liter of liquid A has been taken out. So out of 20, 4 liter has been taken out. So what is the percentage decrease? What is the percentage decrease in liquid A? So percentage decrease in liquid A is 20%. Okay, because 4 is the quantity taken out at a time and total quantity was 20. So in one replacement, there is a decrease of 20% in liquid A. Okay? Read this question carefully. How many replacements were there? Taken out and replaced with liquid B, and again 4 liter of mixture is taken out and replaced by same quantity of liquid B. So in this case, 2 replacements are going on. Okay, so in these kind of question, successive decrement is going on. 2 replacement are going on, successive decrement is going on. So in this question, in the quantity of liquid A, there will be 2 successive decrements of 20% will happen. Why? Because every time total quantity is 20 and 4 liter is taken out. So if you take out 4 out of 20, so percentage decrement is what? 20%. Now there is a shortcut for calculating net percentage decrease. Okay, so you remember it. I hope you remember it. So this is decrement, so that is by minus 20. This is decrement, that is by minus 20. Minus minus will become plus. Now 20 into 20 upon 100, which comes out to be equal to minus 36%. So a successive decrement of 20% and 20% is equivalent to what? A cumulative decrement of 36%. I hope you remember this formula of successive decrement. X plus y plus x into y upon 100. Negative sign over here shows it will be decrement. It will be what? Decrement. What we are looking for finally? We are looking for, so 36% decrement is there, meaningly, what is 36%? 36% is 30 by 36 by 100. Meaningly, if liquid A was 100 initially, if liquid A was 100 initially, it will be 36 in the end. So now liquid A is what? 36. So remaining should be what? Remaining should be quantity of the new liquid. So quantity of new liquid should be, if you calculate it, I'm really sorry, just a second guys, this is, I'm really sorry, kindly correct it. See, this is what? This is net decrement. This is what? This is net decrement, which means if initially quantity of liquid A was 100, if initially quantity of liquid A was 100, then it will get decreased by 36. It will get decreased by what? It will get decreased by 36. So out of 100, 36 got decreased. It is what? 64. So remaining liquid should be 36 only. Remaining part should be 36 only, because remaining part was liquid B, so liquid B should be 36 only. Now let me tell you this thing one more time. 36% is the cumulative decrease here, which means 36% is 36 by 100, which means if 100 was the liquid A initially, it will get decreased by 36. So 100 get decreased by 36, we are getting what? 64. And the remaining out of 100, 64 is liquid A now. So remaining part of 100 should be new liquid B. So 64 is to 36. So 8, 9, 16 fours are 64 and 9 fours are 36. So ratio of liquid A to liquid B finally should be 16 is to 9. Option C is the right choice here. Kindly make a note of it. Now, in this question, there was no need to use this 20 liter any further. Why? Because we are looking for ratios finally. So, if you know if you want to talk about ratios only, then we can take the help of percentages directly and we can take the help of fractions directly. There is no need to utilize any actual value given. Okay, I hope guys this is clear to everyone. So this is all for this video. We'll meet you in the next. Till then, please take care. Bye bye and thank you.